Welcome to the Windows, Computers, and Tech channel. And, somebody asked me and I wanted to do a little update on do I still like Chrome OS Flex. If you've been wondering, Chrome OS Flex is a cool system that you can actually have on an old PC. And in this case, I'm running it on my old Toshiba satellite from 2013 or something. It's an old, almost 10-year-old laptop, 9 to 10-year-old laptop, which came originally with Windows 8 in it. So it is an old PC that I've been doing a lot of things with it. I converted and did install some Linux distros and all sorts of things. I've dedicated to really playing around and testing other things, and one of them is right now Chrome OS Flex. So I talked about it quite a long time ago now. Chrome OS Flex is a turn your old PC into a Chromebook, basically. So what they want to do is, if you have an old PC lying around not doing anything, maybe it has an outdated version of Windows, you can turn that PC into a Chromebook. And although not all PCs are supported, you can try it, and if it is supported, it's going to work. It is nice. It turns your PC into something usable for, the web. Of course, Chromebooks are cloud-based, so you need to be connected all the time. But it is fast. It actually works great. And for an old PC, I think it's a great way to give life again to an old PC. And of course, it's a Chromebook. It's different than using Windows and things like that. But this is definitely a very nice system to for an old computer. I'll be actually taking the time to post a link to where you can download it if you want to try and install this on a old PC you have at home. I think it's a great project also, with all the e-waste that we hear about and all the things like that. I think what is nice about this is that you actually can give a second life, basically, to an old computer using the Chromebook style use. And of course, you won't have all the software. It's not Windows once again, but you have everything that you need to work. You have the online versions of the equivalent of a Office suite, and basically you have Google Chrome as a browser. You can have email. For a lot of people, that covers pretty much everything they do. So that definitely is, I think, a great way to make another computer, an old computer, continue its life in another way. So it's pretty cool, and I think everybody should try it. If you have an old PC lying around, why not try it? Once again, like I said, it might not be compatible with every computer. They do have a list of PCs that they know is working well on. Mine is not in the list, but it works well. And I know that some of you have tried and say that it works well on your machine too. I also had some negative feedback with people saying, well, it doesn't work on mine. But check it out. I think it's a great way. It's easy to install, and just follow the instructions. And it's really, really nice to, use on an old computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.